In this video, we'll learn how to take user input from a web interface and save it to a JSON file using PyWebIO and Python. Here's what's happening in this app. In the Save to JSON function, we start by asking the user to enter their name using input. Whatever they type gets stored in the variable name. Next, we create a dictionary called data with the key name and the value coming from the user input. Then we open a file named data.json in write mode. Using Python's json.dump function, we save the dictionary into that file. Finally, we show a message on the screen saying save to data.json using put text. That's it. Simple and clean. Now let's run the Python file. You'll see a web address appear. Open it in your browser, type in a name, and hit the button. Once you do that, a new data.json file should be created inside your project folder. Let's check and make sure it's there. All right, that's the end of this video. In the next one, we'll keep building cool stuff with PyWebIO. See you there.